click the red subscribe button and subscribe Tech Reboot and press the bell icon to get latest video notification.
Hello friends, welcome in Tech Reboot. In this video, I am going to show you unboxing video of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. I brought it from Flipkart. I received the pack today. Let's see what is inside the box. Yes, this is the box of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Blue and grey bicolor combination of this box. On top written Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. You can see the other side of the box. Back side of the box written Zenfone Max Pro M1. 5000 mAh large battery, 14 nanometer Snapdragon 636 and 6-inch full view display. Let's remove the plastic cover from the box and see what is inside the box. Nice packet. Push it from here and pull it from the opposite side. Wow. Let's pull it and see where is the phone. Wow. Can you see it? This is the Zenfone. Let's keep the phone aside and check what is inside the box. I think it should have a SIM tray ejector. Yes. It is a smile face ejector with written Asus. And inside this box we have user guide and warranty information form. Let's keep them aside. Now we are going to see what are the other components we have below this. Yes, we have USB cable and it is a micro USB cable. And the charger. You can see it is a 5V 2A charger for this large battery 5000 mAh. I think it is sufficient. And this is the Max box. It is the passive audio amplifier for this phone. First, boot the phone by pressing the power button. Let's set up the Wi-Fi. Now, accept the terms and conditions. This is the great features: copy apps and data. You can easily copy one phone apps and data to the new phone. I am selecting setup a new. Wait a second. Now you can log in to your Gmail or you can skip. I am going to log in with my Gmail account. Now select agree. In protect your phone, I am going to select fingerprint. Let's add fingerprint with password. My password is Tech Reboot. Touch the finger and do it for some time until it finishes. Fingerprints added and setup complete. Oh wow, this is the stock Android of Oreo. That's all for this video. In the next video, I will review this product, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. If you like this video, press like button. If you have any opinion or comment, let me inform in the comment section and press the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next time.